Okay, here's how we do an online tutoring session with Arnold Tutoring. I'm using Zoom for the video chat and the voice chat, and then I'm going to use Web Whiteboard for the real-time whiteboard so that we can see each other's work. I'm going to open up Zoom and say start with video. There we are, and I'm going to join the audio through my computer and click to invite participants. This gives them a direct link through your email. So I'm going to have Danielle join, send her that email, and that'll give her a prompt to either hop right into the meeting or download Zoom really quickly if she doesn't already have the program. In the meantime, I've opened up Web Whiteboard and started a new board. So I'm going to take the link to this whiteboard and plug it into the chat. There's Danielle. I'm going to plug it into the chat for Zoom so that she can join directly to the whiteboard. So I put that in there. The whiteboard works really well for on all types of devices, so even if they're just on mobile or on an iPad, it should work fine. So I might start with a function, let's say f of x equals something simple like x squared minus 3x minus 40, and I might tell Danielle, there she is, can you factor this, I might say. And so then I'll wait and she can take her time, ideally with another color because it's easier to see, and there she goes in green. And so as you can see, it's a pretty straightforward program to use. It's really good for collaboration, and the more organized the student can be ahead of time and actually send us questions, that way we can have an even more efficient meeting online and make sure we get down to business right away, covering as many questions as possible in the allotted time. So hopefully that was easy. As soon as the meeting's done, open Zoom back up, end the meeting, end for all, and you can close the whiteboard as well.